What is the scientific name of mantled howler monkey? A. Alouatta palliata. What is the average lifespan of a mantled howler monkey in the wild? B. 20-25 years. What is the primary diet of mantled howler monkeys? A. Fruit. What is the typical habitat of mantled howler monkeys? A. Rainforest. What is the main threat to mantled howler monkeys in the wild? A. Habitat loss. How do mantled howler monkeys communicate with each other? A. Howling. What is the typical social structure of mantled howler monkeys? A. Matrilineal groups. What is the conservation status of mantled howler monkeys? A. Near threatened. What is the main color of mantled howler monkeys' fur? A. Black. What is the average weight of a mantled howler monkey? A. 5 to 10 kilos.